Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your user account picture in Windows 10. Whether you want to personalize your PC with a custom image or use a webcam photo, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Changing your account picture via Windows Settings. 1. Open Windows Settings. Press Win-I to open Settings. Click on Accounts. 2. Go to your Info. In the left menu, select Your Info. Under Create Your Picture, you'll see two options. Browse for one, choose an image from your PC. Take a photo, use your webcam to capture a new picture. Select or capture an image. If selecting from your PC, click Browse for one and pick an image. If using your webcam, click Take a photo, position yourself, and snap the picture. 4. Confirm and apply. Your new profile picture will be updated instantly across Windows Login, Start menu, and Apps. Your account picture should now update, and that's how you change your user account picture in Windows 10. If this tutorial helped, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and let me know what tutorial you'd like next. See you in the next one.